Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Medusa pepper. You can see that this plant makes a nice ornamental plant, but also has the fruit that you can use as a vegetable also. Now the Medusa pepper is pretty hot, but a lot of folks like hot peppers. This plant also is used as an ornamental because of its beautiful plant. That it'll do well in full sun to partial shade, and I say full sun, about 6 hours of good sun a day for it to do its best flowering and fruit production. As far as fertilization, about every 2 to 3 weeks, a good water-soluble plant food, and or in a combination, you might want to mix up some good extra peat moss. We mentioned the cow manure, and maybe even some time-released fertilizer at the time of planting. Give it a bright, sunny spot. Medusa pepper will do well for your landscape. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.